welcome to Delish Comida. Today we're going to be making teriyaki chicken. First step is preparing our chicken. I'm going to be grilling our teriyaki chicken outside, so I had some leg quarters. I've gone ahead and separated the thighs and the drumsticks. I've cleaned up any fat or excess skin it might have, and I've sliced up my drumsticks so it could be easier for us to grill. I've also gone ahead and prepared my chicken breasts by slicing them up a little thinner. Below you can find the measurements of how much you need for each ingredient. Okay, I've gone ahead and added all my seasonings to my chicken. As you can see, the turmeric gives it a nice color, and it's also going to give it a good taste to it. Now you want to go ahead and cover it for a minimum of 30 minutes in the refrigerator. You could always do this overnight, leave it at marinating, or you can prep it and stick it in the freezer for whenever you're ready to make it. Now at the last minute before I put it on the grill, I like to add some ginger. We have our fire now going. I've laid my chicken breast outside where it's less heat hitting it, and then I have my thighs and my drumsticks more in the middle. We want to go ahead and leave our chicken for about 10 minutes on each side. It may take about up to 30 minutes to cook in total. Alrighty, we're in our midway point right now with our chicken. We've turned it, as you can see. Okay, our chicken is ready. Here is our chicken breast, our drumsticks, and our thighs. And as you can see, it's nice and juicy. You can always check your chicken internally. It's supposed to be at 165 Fahrenheit. That way you know it's ready. It's cooked inside and everything. Enjoy.